Yeah, what's going on, everybody? I'm back again. I am Fab Casso because it's been so long. That is FABCASSO. And today I got a quick behind custom video. I was hit up on my Instagram by somebody I used to ball with saying they have some. Well, look, they had these and they wanted to turn them into these. So I want to show you how to do this real quick. All right. It's a simple, quick behind custom. Now I'm about to show y'all real quick. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so I'm gonna shoot off some stuff that you are gonna need for a simple custom like this. Of course, the first thing you're gonna need is the sneaker. You're gonna need some acetone. Then you need the acetone, so you need something to put it on with. I use cotton rounds. You can use whatever you feel comfortable with using. I use cotton rounds because it just seems easier. You're gonna need black dye, black paint, and a finisher. I use matte finisher just because a matte look to these is gonna look a lot better than a gloss look to them, because I've did this before. Then of course you're gonna need paint brushes to stroke the colors on to the sneaker. Alright, so your first step is just going to use your acetone and put it on your cotton rounds, or, oh my bad, that's unprofessional, your cotton rounds or whatever you use. And what you need to do first is take the factory like gloss or factory coat off this. So, and that's what the acetone is going to do. So, it's being nice and easy. Then you just rub all the areas that you're going to be dyeing and painting over. For this sneaker, I would definitely focus on like the toe box where like these are creased, and everybody knows these are dead stock and they're already like, you can see the crease already. So you definitely want to like scrub hard in that general area. So yeah, I'm gonna knock this out real quick. Alright, and before y'all like try to jump down my neck, the reason it still looks like all glossy like this is because I only dyed this because I'm waiting for the customer who wanted this to I sent him a picture to see if he wanted this to be blacked out too or leave it that color. But after he messaged me back, I'm gonna paint it. Then y'all see the final product. But looking at this now, and you can tell like difference before this all black one to this one is a lot better. But I just acetone the whole thing. Once you acetone it well enough, the leather will feel totally different. I can't really explain it, but when you feel it, you'll just know. So the next step after this is I'm gonna dye. Dye the whole upper. So yeah, let me get that started. Alright, and just like that, the whole upper is now white. So now what I'm gonna do with these is let these ones dry, and while these ones dry, I'm gonna work on the ones that's already dried. So the next step in this process, if you want to dye, do another coat of dye. I guess you can, it won't hurt. But I'm not. So the next step to the process is just painting it. So everywhere you just dyed, use black dye, you're just gonna paint over that with black paint. So yeah, and again, I'll be back when I'm done painting it. Alright, so he just hit me back up saying he just wants the 45 like blacked out like the rest of the sneaker. Me personally, I would have left it like red, but it's not my sneaker, so let's do what he wants. And it's easy, just like the rest of the sneaker. You just go over it with dye. Alright, as you can see, the paint is now laid black on both of them. Now the next step is to spray the matte finish. And when you're spraying the matte finish, you want to make sure you're not right up on it and you're not spraying all heavy. You just want to do light coats over it to seal the paint in. And definitely don't, like, do it outside too. Be smart and just do it outside. So I'll be right back. All right, and just like that, the custom is finished. Like I said, it was a quick custom that anybody could do from the house or whatever. You don't have to pay somebody to do it, but I'm not mad about getting paid to do it. But yeah, simple as that. Let me know what y'all think in the comments, I guess. Do you like these better this way or all white? So yeah, I will be giving these back to the guy tomorrow. One thing I did forget to...
A few moments later.
Before I was so rudely interrupted by my memory card getting full, is for these I really didn't, not that I didn't care, but I knew I was fine with it. But on average, I would definitely like just take the laces out so you don't have to worry about getting paint or anything on them. But like I said, for this custom, you really don't have to worry about that at all. This is the first time I did this to the pair of Chicago. I did these to the powder blue. I did this custom to the powder blue 10s before. But yeah, it's easy custom that you can probably do in like 30 minutes, if that. But yeah, again, thanks for watching my video. I am Fab Casso. Hopefully you learned something, and until next time, peace.